10 essential digital skills entrepreneurs have to have. Are you 10 for 10? If you are a digital entrepreneur of any kind, the good news is that your business opportunity has never been more favourable. The bad news is that if you don't skill up, you will fail. It's as simple as that. You will be in the fencing match with both hands tied behind your back. So can you score 10 out of 10 for these digital skills? Let me explain what the skills are and challenge you to score yourself 10 out of 10 on each of them. Then I will explain why they are important. The 10 essential skills are 1. Content creation, 2. Brand creation, 3. Product creation, 4. Content marketing, 5. Traffic strategy, 6. Channel strategy, 7. Lead generation, 8. Funnel creation, 9. Email campaign creation, and 10. Social community engagement. Now give yourself a score of 1 to 10 for each of them, and how do you score? So why are these important? Well, let's take a look at them in more detail individually. Content creation. Content is the lifeblood of digital business. In the find me, know me, like me, trust me, pay me world, you need content to help your prospects through that process. You also need to understand what type of content, in what format, and where you should publish it. Brand creation. Real businesses have brands. If you aspire to be more than a single person sitting behind a desk in your home office, you need to create a brand that represents your values and what you believe in. I'm not talking about a logo. Your brand needs to connect with your audience emotionally if trust is to follow. So think seriously about this. Product creation. You have to have something to sell. This could be a physical product which you have manufactured in China, but it is just as, if not more, likely to be a digital product that you create. Your products need to range horizontally and vertically, in price and complexity. You need to have something for your prospects and customers at every stage of your relationship with them. Content marketing. Know how to create awareness, enable evaluation, and empower purchasing. Content marketing is not blogging, although you can include a blog as part of it. Content marketing applies to all stages of your funnel, and it needs to have its own goals, content formats, and metrics for results evaluation. Traffic strategy. It can be very expensive to depend on paid traffic you do not know that is going to convert. Much better to know how to create organic traffic and only turn on the paid traffic when you know your funnel and offer are achieving results. This means understanding how to generate both types of traffic and where it can be created from. Channel strategy ties into traffic strategy clearly, but it is much more about knowing where your prospects are to be found and how to get the most out of each relevant channel to bring them into your orbit. With the platforms evolving all the time, this is a bit like throwing darts at a dartboard which is attached to the side of a passing train, if you don't know what you're doing. Lead generation. How do you turn your prospects into leads? This is one of the biggest challenges. What converts and what does not? This is the crux of digital business, and if you don't get this right, then nothing else you do will matter. Funnel creation. While we probably have all heard of a marketing funnel, do you really know how to build one which will enable your prospects to be successfully guided by you through their customer journey from start to purchase and beyond? Email campaign creation. The money is in the list, but bombarding your list with endless emails without purpose and intent is the fastest way to get them to unsubscribe. Do you realize that there are different types of campaigns and that list tagging and segmentation are critical? Social community engagement. Last but not least, developing the loyalty of your audience, turning it from a list of names into an engaged tribe, does not happen overnight or by accident. You need to be consistent and do the right things, not just post aimlessly. So this is how I rate myself. Content creation, 8. Brand creation, 5. Product creation, 9. Content marketing, 6. Traffic strategy, 4. Channel strategy, 6. Lead generation, 5. Funnel creation, 6. Email campaign creation, 7. Social community engagement, probably a 6. My total is 62 out of 100, which means there's room for improvement, and of course, there always will be. No, I'm not expert at everything, but I am aware of what I need to be good at, and I'm working hard to achieve that. I'm also aware that I don't need to be an expert at everything, but only to know that 20% of the subject area to achieve 80% of the results. As I learn it, I will share it with you. So why is this important? This is the million-dollar question, but the answer is simple. If you apply these skills to the customer journey, you will see that they are the critical skills you need to take your customers through the 8 steps of the customer journey. These are 1. Find or become aware. 2. Know and engage. 3. Like and subscribe. 4. Trust and convert. 5. Trust and deepen interest. 6. Core offer and ascend. 7. Share, and 8. Evangelize. You can see how these skills can be mapped to the customer journey in this diagram, which explains why they are so critical to your success. I summarize these 10 skills under 3 core headings: customer experience, customer channel, and customer engagement. These are 3 of my 6 core business strategy transformation modules, which is the framework I use to help digital entrepreneurs like you overcome the overwhelm of digital business and grow their businesses and grow their profits. So let me leave you with a question. What is your digital business score, and where do you need to improve your 10 core digital business skills?